Welcome back, friends. In the previous video we had thought about how to write a first program in Python, and we had thought about print statements, and in this video we are going to see about variables and comment statements. So let's begin with it. First we will open the folder in CMD, type code, type code, and you will get the folder open in your VS Code. You will cut the command prompt and we will create a new file, test2.py, and in this we are going to start the variables and comment statements. So suppose you have a box, and in that you store some things, like you store your toys, you store your clothes or something what you want to store. You store in that, and you give that box a specific name. Suppose I am giving the box name as a toy box. Okay, so an example. So that box in Python we call it as variable. So variable means a container, and in that you can store anything you want. So how to create a variable? So first type your box name or variable name. Variable name we are going to put a var1, and there should be an equal sign, and inside of it you can type or store something. So now I want to store a Lalit is good boy. So this is my text I have stored in var1 name, or I will change this to Lalit. Okay, so one important thing that while creating variables you can't use numerical numbers. Just like you can't use 1 as a number. See, here you can see it is showing a red dash over here, means it is an invalid syntax. So you can create variables with letters and some words. So this is what a variable creating rule. So now we have created a variable. Now how to display that on a terminal? This is a terminal, and how to display that? So you can type print. I had said you about the previous video print statement, and here you have to type your variable name. So variable name is Lalit1. Lalit, yes. So save it with Control S. You save, and then just click the small icon. See, Lalit is a good boy. It printed that. You can change, and you can add some numbers also. Numbers 89. Done. 89. It's so you can do some calculations too. You can just 89 plus 59. Okay. Type 148. You can calculate also. Calculator will do 89 plus 59. 148 is the same answer. You can do multiplication. For multiplication, you have to not use x, just how we do in the maths. You have to use the star. It is the star, means in Python it is known as, or in other programming language it is considered as into or multiplication sign. Now we will run this. Okay, so here you can see here was an error. What was the error? Invalid syntax. Okay, so it is an invalid syntax. I don't know why. It is for division. Yes, you got the answer. 1.580 goes. I don't know why it is considering as invalid syntax. Yes, it was right, but we had made there was some internal issues. So you can do multiplications, you can do subtraction, 89 minus 59, 30. So affiliate my terminal. This was about variables. Okay, so variables are simply a container, and in that you can store something what you want to store. You can also store some data types like string and float numbers, and that we will see in the next video what is data types. So now we will see about comments. So suppose you are writing a very big line codes. Suppose I had created one program in my folder here. Yes, this is basically a Django project that I will not show to you what is Django, what is that. Suppose here it is a very big line codes. Okay, so suppose you have created that, and here you want to show something that suppose there one comes a new user and he don't know about what is this print meaning. So he will think what is this. To know that what is print, we will type, we want to show that print is to display things on terminal. Okay, so if we write this, print is to display things on terminal. Okay, so if we write and run this, here we get an error. Print is to display things, invalid syntax. Suppose and that you can understand we are getting an error of invalid syntax. So to comment down, you have to just add this hash. It will comment that line 30. This was the calculation that we had showed. You can whatever you want to type in this line, but down it will again get executed by Python. So this was a comment. And to write multi-line comment, we not use much of multi-line comment. We just use, suppose we have to write Lalit is bad boy. Okay, Lalit is bad boy, and to not to go and again and again put here hash, we can just in VS Code you have to type control and this slash. It will automatically make the line full comment. If you want to see it again anywhere in the line will be commented. This is the thing that made easier by VS Code. So this was comment, and multi-line comment is this. It is in quotes, and you have to type 3 up and 3 down. Means there should be 3 of starting, 3 of end. It's from here it is starting, and here it is ending. Here you can type anything you want. Anything you want, you can type in this till where it is. If you cut this and you put it over here only, it will again not execute it. To finish comment, we are writing. To finish multi-line comment, we are writing this. So this was of command and it was of variable. Next video we will see about data types and other more functions. So my friends, subscribe to my channel and follow me on GitHub and more social media links. So bye.